Hi. What a beautiful day. Who's excited for fall? Are you out house shopping today? Because if you are, I'm in Suwanee, Georgia at 1275 Waterview Lane, showing this beauty. I will be here from 2 to 4, and it is the most gorgeous neighborhood, but wait till you see inside. So come on in. So here's the neighborhood, super quiet. This home was built in 2001, and it has 5 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. It also has its own private oasis outside, so check it out. Absolutely gorgeous. If you follow my page, I know you've probably been seeing the post, and today you can actually come out and view it in person. To the left is an office, and to the right, a dining room with a little bar area in between. If you keep going straight, we have a half bath to the left, a living room with gorgeous built-ins, and let's go on into the kitchen. So here is the kitchen. It's got these gorgeous vaulted ceilings, subway tile backsplash, and how many loves a keeping room? I love a keeping room. Such a great place to hang out while you're cooking. You know, guests can be in here that want to chit chat. But wait, this home is absolutely made for entertaining. There is a cute deck right here overlooking the private oasis down below. So let me think, do we want to go up or down? I think we're going to go up. So let's go on up and check out the generous bedrooms upstairs. I like the openness right here, so that even when you're upstairs, you still feel like you're all together. Let's go to the right first. Here we have secondary bedroom number 1 with some cute wainscoting, its own sink, and then the Jack and Jill walks through, and this bedroom also has its own sink to bedroom number 2 with built-ins. And then on the right here, this is a California king bed and its own bathroom in bedroom number 3. Linen closet, hardwood landing, very nice. And then you enter the primary suite. Absolutely gorgeous California king, coffered ceilings, not coffered, tray ceilings, vaulted, very, very high. Then we have the primary bath with 2 sinks, tub shower combo, and California closets. Check it out. This is like shopping in your own home. All right, cool. So there's more. Downstairs is the entertainer's paradise, and it opens up to that private saltwater pool and oasis. So let's go check that out. I thought about bringing my bathing suit today, but honestly, that wouldn't sell anybody's house. So maybe next time. All right. So here we're going to the basement. I believe the game is on. Where we have a gaming area, stadium seating, and a kitchen. Check that out. But it's also the perfect guest suite, and here is why. This is storage. Away from the gaming area, we have another bedroom with a California king bed. This is a very generous sized room. So like a secondary primary, really, on the main floor or on the basement level. And it also has this gorgeous shower. So perfect for a mother-in-law suite, a guest suite, a teen suite, although that teen be living large. Here's the pantry for the kitchen. This is the storage, so lots of storage without using the garage. It's a really large storage area. All right. Now, y'all, what do you see? Outside's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Check this out. Just gorgeous. Now, this home also sits on an acre lot. So even though we have this part of the yard with the waterfall and the pool, there's also a wooded area back here that goes back quite far for nature lovers. There's a cute little bridge and creek. Isn't that awesome? It is a saltwater gunite pool. And you know, even the back of this house is pretty. So much to see. So much to enjoy. So, from 2 to 4 today, I will be at 1275 Waterview Lane, showing this gorgeous home, looking for someone who loves everything about it and is ready to take the plunge. Y'all have a good